this video, guys, no, as a birthday celebrant, no, and without knowing, somebody will treat you surprisingly, no, since my children is planning and cooperating, no, to prepare this simple birthday celebration early in the morning, no. It is our breakfast, no, breakfast, and since they are here, no, ayan, so my son EJ treated this Jollibee food, no, food pack for this birthday celebration of mine. Ayan, so I really appreciate her cooperation with her with his sister, no, Christine. Ayan, with the cooperation of their mother, no. Ayan, so I never expect na i-celebrate namin yung aking birthday, since hindi naman talaga ako talagang nagse-celebrate ng aking birthday, no. I let it past, no. Ayan, na lilipas din, no. And I am glad and thankful to our Almighty Father, no, for giving me the strength, no, and additional day for my life. Ayan, so since na nandito naman kami, no, at very busy at this time, so ayan, so yun nga, since na nag-cooperate sila para i-treat ako, so thankful naman ako, no. So how could imagine kung ano man yung naramdaman ng mga parents natin before, no, since we are also a parents now, no, and somebody from our children, no, will treat us, no, napakalaking saya at napakalaking halaga para sa atin na ma-feel natin, no, na somebody's celebrating our birthday, no. Ayan, so na-feel ko naman kung paano maging isang ama, no, tulad ng aking ama din, na talagang minsan tayong mga anak ay lagi nating iniisip ang ating mga magulang. So this how I feel, what my son and daughter feel about me, no. Ayan, so since na alam naman nila na hindi talaga ako nagse-celebrate ng aking birthday, so sila na rin ang nag-prepare, no, since na magluluto sana kami, no, para lang mayroon kaming kakainin. So sabi naman nila wag na, so hindi ko naman alam na ititreat nila ako ng ganyan. So thank you so much EJ and Christine, no, with my wife Maria, no, thank you so much for this simple celebration we had today. Ayan, so I really enjoy, no, na kahit sa ganitong paraan napapasaya nyo ako. Ayan, so salamat sa inyong lahat, no, Tintin. Ayan, so hindi ko masabi kung gaano ako kasaya sa araw na ito. Thank you so much, no, for the treat.
But in my heart I feel the same old afterglow. Her love so beautiful, hid every...
Saan yung bagong bukas eh? Dagsaan wag.
Thank you guys, no, sa pa-birthday ng aking anak. Ayan, sa sponsor ng aking anak, si EJ. Ayan, Jollibee treat. Early in the morning, guys. Ayan.
We were too young to understand, to ever know. The lovers drift apart and